Hello, everyone. This is Sandeep from Polygon. I am one of the co-founders at Polygon, and I take care of the business side of things. First, a bit about myself. I come from technology background. I am a computer science engineer, and I've worked as a software engineer for some time. And after that, I did my management studies, also in information technology. And I've been involved into various entrepreneurial efforts, and two of them in the blockchain space also. A brief about Polygon also. Polygon is basically a Ethereum scaling platform, basically layer 2 scaling platform. But the good part about Polygon is that it is a layer 2 agnostic, the approach agnostic platform. So it is a multi-solution, Ethereum scaling platform. That means Polygon is not focusing on one particular approach, let's say zero knowledge rollups or optimistic rollups or side chains or commit chains or plasma or something like it's basically an aggregator of all these solutions, like multiple such solutions together in one suite. So let me quickly share my screen and walk you through a brief journey on Polygon and where Polygon is today. um, so so basically, as I said, that what is Polygon, I already mentioned about it. Overall, if you see, like a lot of you guys would have heard about Polygon. Polygon has like now 3,000 plus dApps live on it. There is almost like a billion plus transactions have been processed, 100 million plus unique addresses. And the TVL secured by Polygon chain is somewhere in the 5 billion to 5 billion to 10 billion range. And it has emerged as one of the biggest platform on the NFT and gaming side of things. Similarly, for the general dApps also, it has been very big. And the DeFi ecosystem, for example, almost all the top DeFi applications on Ethereum are today available on Polygon also. So in terms of adoption, Polygon POS chain itself has become one of the most adopted solution globally. And if you compare, as a chain individually, it would be just after Ethereum main chain, it would be the most adopted chain globally. um, so basically, why Polygon? Let's talk about why we are doing what we are doing at Polygon. So the one of the main thing that we feel is that we have spoken to so many blockchain developers or people who are building applications on blockchains, and what we realize is that there is each application has its own requirements. Some applications need more decentralization and more security, and they are happy to pay higher cost for that. For example, DeFi, versus some applications, let's say a simple chatting application which stores, let's say, the hashes of the transaction or the messages on chain, or an NFT or gaming low cost NFT or gaming platform that might be okay with slightly less decentralization, but it needs much faster transactions and low cost transactions. So currently, when we talk about these blockchains, we think about blockchains in form of monolithic solutions, whereas our thesis is that blockchains, they are going to be multi-chain, but these multi-chain blockchains, various blockchains, are going to exist on top of Ethereum, and all the business activity and applications are going to build on these secondary blockchains or layer 2 blockchains. And on the layer 2 also, previously, as I told, that Polygon is a multi-chain, multi-approach solution. The reason for that is, on the layer 2 also, it's so early in the days of layer 2 that these approaches keep on changing from one approach to another. So we wanted to kind of be protected against these individual kind of approach specific, wrong directions, right? So that's why we made it approach agnostic. That means like we are with various teams across the world today. We are pursuing multiple approaches, and then eventually markets will decide which approach eventually evolve. And then also these multiple solutions, there is no formalized framework that offers one single one single shop for the developers to have various different kinds of solutions built on top of it. So it's basically trying to create a more formalized framework for Ethereum scaling, and obviously to provide low cost transactions and high speed transactions, so that Ethereum, and we can preserve the adoption of the great Ethereum community. So solution is, like as I mentioned, that Polygon is a scalability aggregator. It has already multiple solutions which all connect back into Ethereum, and then you have various different kinds of chains here. Polygon POS, which is fastly becoming like retail DeFi as well as gaming chain, whereas you have Polygon SDK, where people or the application builder can have sovereign chains for themselves. Similarly, you have Polygon Avail, which is a data availability chain. Polygon Nightfall, is basically a enterprise. This we are building with Ernst & Young. It is an enterprise-centric, enterprise-centric blockchain solution, and which also has privacy. And then we have Polygon Hermes, which is basically essentially a zero knowledge rollup. So, which is live in production, and right now Hermes has payments supported, and then Hermes is working towards a full-blown ZK, ZK EVM. And we recently also announced, which is not mentioned here, Polygon Maiden, which is a star-based solution. So basically, this is a highly composable network, and then which can allow a lot of use cases and the applications to be built on top of it. These are some of the benefits of blockchain. Obviously, ETH compatibility is one of the biggest thing. Scalability, security, sovereign chains can have full sovereignty, so enterprises can have their own chains. Interoperability between these chains, and since it is Ethereum compatible, the developer experience is very Web3 kind of developer experience. A brief about our journey. So we started somewhere in end of 2017. 2019 we did our IEO, and then around June 2020 we launched our POS chain, which was our mainnet. And since then, we have onboarded so many applications, and off late in this year we launched Polygon SDK, Polygon Studios, which is our business arm to focus on NFT related use cases, Polygon Avail, and Polygon Avail was announced in June, July this year. Similarly, we have Hermes network, which is our we recently acquired Hermes network, which basically merged into Polygon under Polygon umbrella, and they are building zero knowledge rollups and ZK EVM. And then onwards from here, we are focusing on various kind of rollups to be launched in 2022. This is our core team. We have 4 co-founders, and then some of the advisors that we are working with. And this is something more specific about Hermes. So, and then this is specifically about Hermes, but we have now launched 3 zero knowledge initiatives till now. Hermes was the first one. It was the first ever public merger of 2 networks where a smart contract was created, and then community can move their tokens from one kind of smart contract to one side of smart contract, or one side of network to the other network. Apart from that, we have we recently announced Ernst & Young Nightfall, which we are working with Ernst & Young for providing privacy related use cases for enterprises. Similarly, Polygon Maiden is also an attempt towards building a full-blown ZK EVM, but based on Starks. Like Hermes is actually more based on Snarks, but we are focused on with Maiden, Miden, it is focused on stocks. So these are some of the ZK solutions, and we published a big our zero knowledge thesis, and under which we have pledged $1 billion for zero knowledge technology for Ethereum scaling, and that's where we are putting all our efforts into. So this was a brief about Polygon from my side, and very nice talking here. And lastly, the main thing I want to mention about Polygon is its adoption. Today, if you follow Polygon on Twitter, you would be able to see that so many big brands like Macy's recently did something on Polygon. Like brands like Clinique, Hollywood celebrities, sports celebrities, and entertainment industry, they all keep doing their a lot of NFTs and all that. So much so that Polygon has become a default platform for NFTs. So that's going really great. And with the upcoming 2022, we are going to launch these zero knowledge efforts from our side, which will take the Polygon's infrastructure provisioning kind of offerings to a next level. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much.